Getting fit and staying healthy can be challenging, especially as we age. After 40, our bodies undergo various changes. Metabolism slows, muscle mass decreases, and sleep patterns become disrupted. Yet, with the right approach, it's possible to burn fat and build muscle, creating a strong, vibrant body that defies age. In this video, we'll outline 3 golden rules that can guide you on your fitness journey. From optimizing your protein intake to managing carbohydrates and improving sleep, these rules are designed to help you overcome age-related hurdles and achieve your goals. Let's dive into the first rule: prioritizing protein intake. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Golden rule number 1: prioritize protein intake. Protein is a critical component of a balanced diet, particularly for those seeking to build muscle and lose fat. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein, and muscle loss, sarcopenia, becomes a real concern. Increasing protein intake can counteract this decline, supporting muscle growth and repair. Here's the science behind it. Protein is composed of amino acids, the building blocks of muscle tissue. When you engage in strength training or other muscle-building exercises, your muscle fibers experience micro-tears. Protein helps repair these tears, leading to muscle growth and increased strength. Additionally, a high-protein diet can boost metabolism because the body uses more energy to digest protein, a phenomenon known as the thermic effect of food, TEF. This means that a higher protein intake can help you burn more calories, aiding in fat loss. How much protein should you consume? Experts generally recommend 1.2 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. For a 70-kilogram individual, this translates to 84 to 140 grams per day. To reach this target, focus on lean protein sources like chicken, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and plant-based proteins such as tofu and tempeh. Including protein in every meal and snack is a practical strategy to meet your daily requirements. Additionally, to take it even further, 1 gram per 1 pound of body weight is also recommended depending on the exercise routine you have and how strenuous it is. Consider the timing of your protein intake, too. Consuming protein shortly after exercise maximizes muscle recovery. Furthermore, spreading your protein intake throughout the day can help maintain steady energy levels and reduce hunger cravings. By prioritizing protein in your diet, you're setting a solid foundation for muscle building and fat loss. In the next section, we'll discuss how to manage carbohydrate intake to further support your fitness goals. Golden rule number 2: manage carbohydrate intake. Carbohydrates are a vital energy source, but consuming them in excess or at the wrong times can hinder your efforts to build muscle and lose fat. To maintain steady energy levels and optimize fat loss, it's crucial to manage your carbohydrate intake, especially over the age of 40. Here's why. When you eat carbohydrates, your body converts them into glucose, which provides energy. If there's more glucose than your body needs, it gets stored as glycogen in muscles and the liver. Once these stores are full, excess glucose gets converted into fat. This process, known as lipogenesis, can lead to weight gain if carbohydrate consumption isn't controlled. To avoid this, consider limiting carbohydrate intake to 30 grams per sitting outside of your workout window. This approach helps stabilize insulin levels, which in turn reduces fat storage and curbs blood sugar spikes that can lead to energy crashes. You'll likely experience improved focus and mood throughout the day. The optimal time for carb consumption is around workouts and in the evening. Before and after exercise, your body needs quick energy and muscle recovery support, making this the perfect window for carbs. During these times, your body efficiently uses carbohydrates, reducing the risk of fat storage. Another great time for carbs is at night, which might seem counterintuitive but has a sound scientific basis. Consuming carbohydrates at night can stimulate serotonin production, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and better sleep. This is crucial for individuals over 40, who often experience lighter, more fragmented sleep. To implement this golden rule, consider choosing complex carbohydrates like whole grains, vegetables, and fruits. These types of carbs release energy more slowly, providing sustained energy throughout the day. During the workout window, you can indulge in simpler carbs like bananas, rice, or whole grain bread for quick energy. By managing your carbohydrate intake, you'll not only maintain consistent energy levels but also reduce the risk of fat gain. Next, let's explore the third golden rule, focusing on sleep optimization and injury prevention. Golden rule number 3: optimize sleep and prevent injuries. Sleep and injury prevention are often overlooked components of a successful fitness journey, especially as we get older. Yet, they are crucial for muscle recovery, fat loss, and overall well-being. In your 40s and beyond, your body may not bounce back as quickly from workouts and daily stresses, making proper rest and injury prevention more critical than ever. Let's start with sleep. The relationship between sleep and fitness is rooted in science. When you sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which plays a significant role in muscle growth and repair. Additionally, sleep helps regulate hormones that control appetite and metabolism. Insufficient sleep can lead to increased levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, which can promote fat storage, especially around the belly. Unfortunately, as we age, sleep patterns can become irregular. It's common to experience lighter sleep, more frequent awakenings, and shorter sleep durations. To combat these issues, it's essential to create a sleep-conducive environment and develop healthy sleep habits. Here are some tips that we can implement starting today. Create a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities before bed, like reading, meditation, or light stretching, to help your body wind down. Optimize your sleep environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to minimize disturbances. Limit stimulants. Avoid caffeine and electronics close to bedtime, as they can interfere with sleep quality. Injury prevention is equally important for staying on track with your fitness goals. As you age, joint health becomes a critical concern, and injuries can take longer to heal. To minimize the risk of injury, focus on these key areas. Proper warm-ups and cool-downs. Prepare your muscles and joints for exercise with dynamic stretches and low-intensity movements, and then afterwards, cool down with static stretches to promote flexibility. Strength and mobility work. Incorporate exercises that build strength and improve joint mobility to prevent injuries, and this includes resistance training, yoga, or Pilates. Listen to your body. If you experience pain or discomfort, don't push through it. Rest and seek professional guidance to avoid exacerbating injuries. By optimizing sleep and prioritizing injury prevention, you'll create a solid foundation for muscle growth, fat loss, and overall health. With these strategies, you're better equipped to navigate the unique challenges of staying fit over 40. Achieving your fitness goals over 40 requires a balanced approach that addresses muscle growth, fat loss, and overall health. By following the 3 golden rules, prioritizing protein intake, managing carbohydrate consumption, and optimizing sleep while preventing injuries, you can build a strong, resilient body and maintain energy throughout the day. Remember, the journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay consistent, and adjust as needed. To get started, choose one rule to focus on this week, then gradually incorporate the others. Share your progress with a friend or a fitness coach for accountability. Now, go take that first step towards a healthier, stronger you.